il padiglione riguardava un'esperienza di AR, augmented reality.
Okay. Once you get really close and you enter in the building, you can see the square. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's the square.
Italiano.
Il messaggio principale del vostro padiglione quindi sarebbe?
L'arte rigenera la vita, quindi l'importanza di avere sempre l'arte con noi e di appunto portarci il passato quando ci rivolgiamo verso il futuro.
Bellissimo come messaggio, bello come messaggio, Simone?
Sì, penso. Da italiano posso dire.
Grazie davvero.
Niente.
Buona continuazione. My avatar is speaking in Chinese.
I really like it.
Quite good, yeah.
At Expo that really inspired me was seeing all the countries working towards the future.
The pavilions were really interesting. There were a lot of different topics to choose.
I think it has opened my eyes on multiple levels.
I decided to come on this trip because Japan is like the country of inventions, right? There's so many tech and so much stuff. Getting the opportunity to actually see so much was really great.
I would repeat this experience a lot more times.
It's a really good experience. I want to do it twice.
I really liked Expo Osaka. It was a great trip.
I really love the Expo experience.
What remains in my heart is the fact that all these young people, so young, but they are already on the way to have a really open-minded. They are traveling a lot with all these projects with coding.
We like the coding sessions we did every day, where we experimented with various AI tools.
We all could have worked at our own pace, but also nobody got left behind.
We had a lot of fun, really grateful to CodEng's.
We did it!